Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add a border to your PDF file. This should be a quick and simple process. Just follow along step by step, and by the end your PDF will have a clean border. First, open your browser and in the search bar type in small PDF. Once the search results come up, go ahead and click on the official website. That's smallpdf.com. When you're there, look for the Edit tab. Take a moment to locate that tab, and once you see it, go ahead and click on it. Now, when you click on the Edit tab, you'll be asked to choose a file. Click the button and then select the PDF file you want to edit. To add a border, look for the rectangle icon up in the toolbar. It's under Shapes. Go ahead and click on Rectangle, and then pick the border thickness that suits your needs. After that, place the rectangle onto your PDF and resize it to fit the page. Adjust the edges so the border stretches evenly from side to side. Take a moment to make sure everything looks neat and properly aligned. And that's it, your border is now in place. To save your changes, go ahead and click on Download or the Finish button. Once that's done, your edited PDF will be ready to download and review. Just double-click to open it, and there you have it. That's how you add a border to a PDF file. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.